Smart money tactics. Smart money tactics involve making informed decisions about how to manage and invest your money. By following these tactics, you can optimize your financial situation and work towards achieving your financial goals. Here are a few key strategies to consider. 1. Budgeting. Creating a budget is essential for managing your money effectively. Start by tracking your income and expenses to get a clear picture of where your money is going. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses and allocate more funds towards savings and investments. 2. Saving and investing. Building an emergency fund should be a priority. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account to cover unexpected financial setbacks. Additionally, consider investing in low-risk options such as index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to grow your wealth over time. Diversify your investments to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. 3. Paying off high-interest debt. If you have high-interest debt, such as credit card balances or personal loans, prioritize paying them off as soon as possible. High-interest debt can quickly accumulate and hinder your financial progress. Consider using the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to tackle your debt strategically. 4. Building credit. Maintaining a good credit score is crucial for accessing favorable interest rates on loans and credit cards. Pay your bills on time, keep credit card balances low, and avoid opening unnecessary lines of credit. Regularly review your credit report and dispute any errors to ensure your credit score accurately reflects your financial responsibility. 5. Automating savings and investments. Take advantage of automation tools to make saving and investing effortless. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your savings account or investment portfolio. This way, a portion of your income will be saved or invested before you have a chance to spend it impulsively. 6. Educating yourself. Stay informed about personal finance by reading books, attending seminars, or following reputable financial blogs. The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you will be to make informed financial decisions. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance tailored to your specific goals and circumstances. Remember, smart money tactics require discipline and patience. It's essential to stay committed to your financial plan and make adjustments as needed. By implementing these strategies, you can take control of your finances and work towards a more secure and prosperous future. Thanks for watching.